Hello children, we will be taking Standard 6 History Lesson-3 River Valley Civilization. Before coming into the details of the chapter, let us see what is the meaning of the word civilization. The word civilization is derived from the Latin word civitas meaning city. A civilization consisted of a group of people who had learned to live together and follow similar laws, customs, and traditions. There are basically four main civilizations which developed in the different parts of the world. Now let us come to what are these four civilizations. They were called as the ancient civilization. The ancient civilization which arose during the Bronze Age are Mesopotamian civilization, Egyptian civilization, Harappan or Indus Valley civilization, and Chinese civilization. Now one thing was common to all these civilizations is all of them developed around water bodies. Why did they develop around water bodies? Many reasons are given by historians why they developed around the water bodies. Let us come to some of the reasons which are given by the historians. First reason which was given is there were major sources of water for drinking, bathing, storage, irrigation, and rituals. Second reason was regular flooding of the water deposited fertile alluvial silt, which was good for growth of crops. Then the next reason given by the historians are the rivers helped in transporting goods and people. Next is it encouraged trade and commerce also, and also led to the emergence of cities and towns. Now next is, in this chapter we will learn about Indus Valley civilization. India saw the rise of its earliest civilization or on the banks of the river Indus. Civilization flourished from the time period 2500 BCE to 1600 BCE. Now various sites were found and they are collectively known as the Indus Valley civilization. It is also known as Harappan civilization because Harappa was the first site to be excavated. That is the name of the first site which was excavated. Now other sites which were excavated are Mohenjo-daro in Pakistan, Ropar in Punjab, Lothal, Rangpur and Rojdi in Gujarat, Kalibangan in Rajasthan, etc. Now the discovery of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro showed that these civilization was at least 3500 years old. Now what was Mohenjo-daro? Mohenjo-daro was a large area of ruined brick mounds. It was ruined, that is it was destroyed. It was not in good condition, and it was used as a burial site to bury the dead bodies. So Mohenjo-daro was also called as the mound of dead. Then coming to the discovery, an Englishman, Charles Mason, he visited Harappa in 1826 and he wrote something about this site. Again in 1853, Sir Alexander Cunningham studied ruined buildings and found square polished stones with engravings of animals, Next, in 1930, Sir Rakhal Das Banerjee found such stones and seals in Mohenjo-daro. In 1921, archaeologist Dayaram Sahani excavated or dug a site where railway tracks were to be laid. From this, various kinds of seals were found as in Harappa. The seals were same kind of seals were found in Harappa also. Now coming to the architecture and town planning. These twin cities of Mohenjo-daro and Harappa formed the main hub of the civilization. Main hub means main places of the civilization. Houses in the cities were planned according to the climatic conditions. The house